Unboxing idioms. The gloves are off. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English idiom that packs quite a punch. The gloves are off. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add a powerful layer to your English communication skills. So, let's get ready to uncover the essence of this expression, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. When we say, "the gloves are off," we're not talking about winter clothing or boxing gear. Instead, this idiom is used to signify that a situation has become intense or hostile, and that all pretenses of being polite or holding back have been discarded. It's as if the participants in a conflict are saying they're ready to fight without holding anything back, signaling a more direct or aggressive approach. The phrase, "the gloves are off," has its roots in the sport of boxing. Traditionally, boxers wear gloves to soften their punches and protect themselves and their opponents from severe injury. Removing gloves, metaphorically, suggests preparing for a more brutal and unrestricted confrontation. This idiom captures the essence of dropping all forms of protection and restraint to engage in a serious battle, whether it be in words, actions, or competition. This idiom is versatile and can be used in various contexts, from personal disputes to professional challenges. Here are a few examples to help you incorporate it into your dialogue. In a debate, it started as a friendly discussion, but once we touched on that sensitive topic, the gloves were off. In business, after months of unsuccessful negotiations, the gloves are off, and the companies are now in a fierce competition for market share. In personal relationships, we usually avoid controversial topics, but last night the gloves came off, and we had a heated argument. Using this phrase adds a layer of intensity and seriousness to the conversation, indicating that things have escalated beyond mere casual or diplomatic exchanges. Understanding and using idioms like, "the gloves are off," can significantly enrich your English communication, adding depth and color to your expressions. Whether you're engaging in spirited debates, navigating the competitive world of business, or simply enjoying the art of conversation, knowing when and how to use this phrase can enhance your linguistic arsenal. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now more confident in your ability to tackle such expressive parts of the English language. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to dive deeper into the fascinating world of idioms.